Switching gears here, let's move on to what happened today in the weather department. Not much in terms of temperatures. We didn't quite get there. In fact, we were nowhere close to average. The average high is 59, the average low 38. We only got 1 degree above the average low for our high today. And if you do the math and divide by 2, you end up with a 16-degree deficit below these averages. We'll do better than this as we head down through the work week, but it'll really be almost next weekend before we get back where we belong. Right now, as we take a look at the Fort Duquesne Bridge and Heinz Field, it's 31 degrees with a mostly cloudy sky, humidity 50%, winds out of the northeast at 9, and the pressure is at 30-13. That northeast wind gives us a feels-like temperature of 23 degrees. Whew. If you are headed out tonight and it's 11:20, I don't know why you would be, but if you are, bundle up, because it is chilly and it's going to be bitter cold in the morning. You're not going to believe that it's a April day, but it is or will be. Temperatures already down into the mid-20s in Johnstown at 25 degrees, 27 in Champion and Somerset, Katanning at 26 degrees. Incredible stuff. The hot spots, such as they are Wheeling and Washington, at 32 apiece, and everybody else is in between. Pittsburgh International dropping overnight only a couple of more degrees into the upper 20s for overnight lows before moving into the low to mid 40s for highs tomorrow. Again, still below normal. The average low is 38 degrees. The average high is 59, and we'll be nowhere near those numbers tomorrow. You can see clouds moving in, and eventually showers will arrive. We'll see a mixed bag of precipitation tomorrow. It'll mainly be, I think, rain in the afternoon, but you can see we'll get a little bit of snow that'll move through our southern counties early tomorrow, and then later in the day out east, there'll be snow in the higher elevations in particular, and that will leave some minor accumulation, as you can see, over the next 24 hours, about an inch in Cambria and Somerset counties, a half an inch, which is really not much more than a coating in the south portion of our viewing area along the I-70 corridor. And then as we head on into the 48-hour range out to 11 o'clock on Tuesday, computer models are projecting about the same amount, with maybe as much as 2 inches in the highest elevations to our east. Forecast says tonight light snow coming in after midnight. 28 degrees shouldn't be a problem on the roads. Even the grassy areas in most locations won't see much tonight. A better chance for accumulating snow, minor amounts, tomorrow night and early Tuesday. Rain snow mix then tomorrow with a high of 43 degrees, 45 on Tuesday. Wednesday, Paul, how about 52 with a mostly sunny sky? That day's going to blow your socks off just because it's been so lousy leading up to it. Then rain returns, but just for one day. And look what we do temperature-wise. We just take off. By Saturday, we're up to 70 degrees. That'll spoil us. And then we back off into the mid-50s. But hopefully this string of 30 and 40-degree days with highs running 20 degrees below normal have come to an end. Hopefully.
I have been waiting for the weather to blow my socks off. And waiting.
Yes, we have.
Waiting.
All of us. You're right.
Sounds good, John.
It's coming. Mm-hmm.